See, that's about halfway?
Yeah.
Okay. Next step.
What do we need?
Place the cup on tray plate. Okay, we got that. Measure 1 teaspoon of citric acid. So we need to get this one out. I'll let you dump it in.
Tell them what we're making.
Oh, they'll have to see what we're making.
Oh, yeah.
We're making the Battle of the Powders.
Yay! Whoa.
Pour these ones in so they don't fall. Oops.
Is that enough?
No, we need to do the teaspoon now. Okay.
I heard you can make your own cotton candy.
I can?
No, like, there's
Yeah,
a set where you can make cotton candy.
Oh, yeah.
I want to get one of those. It'd be so fun.
You end up it in?
Huh? Oh, sure. That's a lot.
Yep, 1 teaspoon. Okay, so
Alright.
now, here, you want to start stirring it? We don't need to videotape it quite yet. I'll tell you when.